Hello children, good morning. Children, we have completed our Unit 2, every drop counts explanation. Right? English Unit 2 have explained. Now today we will start writing the notes. So every one of you all open your English classwork. Children, whatever we are writing in English classwork, you need to write the same thing. That means the same Roman number twice in your homework book. Spell words twice, meanings twice, opposite twice, question answers twice, make own sentences twice. Okay children? Once in classwork, twice in homework. So let's start. First Roman number 1, spell words. First one, Abid Surti. Aabid. Abid. Surti. Surti. Abid Surti. Okay. Who's Abid Surti? He's the person who is repairing the leaking taps. Okay. And he's the person who also have won the national award for the saving the environment, and he is also a painter, he is also an author, he is also a cartoonist, journalist. Okay children? Abid Surti. Aabid. Abid. Surti. Surti. Abid Surti. Next one, author. 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 Say it. Author. Next one, painter. Pain. Paint. Theater. Painter. Pain. Paint. Theater. Painter. Cartoonist. Car. Toonist. Nist. Cartoonist. 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 Next one, playwright. Play. Play. Wright. Right. Playwright. Play. Play. Right. Playwright. Next one, journalist. Jour. List. Journalist. Say Jour. List. Journalist. Journalist means who will write down who will take out the news from particular place. Okay, who is giving the information to news company. Environmentalist. Environ. Mentalist. List. Environmentalist. Who will love and protect the nature. He is known as environmentalist. Okay children? Say it. Environ. Environ. List. Environmentalist. You can also pronounce it as environmentalist. Okay? Environmentalist or environmentalist as well. National award. National award. 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 National award. Say it. National award. Award. Next one, foundation. Found. Foundation. Foundation. Next one, humblest. Lest. Humblest. Say it. HUMB, hum. LEST, lest, humblest. Next one. Announcing. 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 ANNOUN. Announcing. CING. Sing. Announcing. 12th one. Screaming. SCREA. Scream. MING. Screaming. SESCREA. Screaming. MING. Screaming. Next one. Slogan. SLO. Slow. GAN. Gun. Slogan. Say it. SLO. Slow. GAN. Gun. Slogan. Next one. 14th one. Accompanied. ACCO. PANIED. Need. Accompanied. ACCOM. PANIED. Need. Accompanied. Next one. Conservation. CON. BER. SVATION. Conservation. Sorry. Conservation. CON. SER. Sir. VATION. Conservation. Conservation means what, children? Protecting. Okay, what is meant by conservation? Protecting. Next one. Sustenance. 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 Next one. Depletion. 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 Say it. DEPLETION. Depletion. Next one. Perish. 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 Say it. PERISH. Perish. Next one. Pollution. 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 POLLU. Pollution. TION. Pollution. Next one. Contaminated. CON. TAMINATED. Contaminated. 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 Next one. First one. Sewage. 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 Sewage water means what I said? The water which carries from our home, from our bathrooms, from our kitchen, from our toilets. Okay, the water collectively it's known as sewage. 22nd one. Factories. 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 23rd one. Organization. Organization. ORGANISATION. Organization. Next one. Yammering. Y-A-M-M-E-R-I-N-G. Yammering. Say it. Y-A-M-M-E-R-I-N-G. Yammering. Next one. Pamphlet. P-A-M. Pam. P-H-L-E-T. Flet. Pamphlet. P-A-M. Pam. P-H-L-E-T. Pamphlet. Next one. Anticipate. A-N-T-I-C-I-P-A-T-E-D. Anticipated. Say it, children. A-N-T-I-C-I. Anticipated. T-E-D. Anticipated. Next one, muffled. M-U-F-F-L-E-D. Muffled. M-U-F-F-L-E-D. Muffled. Next one, introduced. I-N-T-R-O. Intro. D-U-C-E-D. Introduced. I-N-T-R-O. D-U-C-E-D. Introduced. Next one. 29th one. Companion. C-A-M-P-A-N-I-O-N. Companion. C-A-M. Cam. P-A. Per. Nian. N-I-O-N. Nian. Companion. Next one. Inquisitive. I-N-K-U-I-S-I-T-I-V-E. Inquisitive. Inquisitive. Next one. Uncivilized. U-N. U-N-C-I-V-I-L-I-S-E-D. Civilized. U-N-C-I-V-I. Civi. L-I-S-E-D. Lies. Uncivilized. 32nd one. Scarcity. S-C-A-R. Scar. C-I-T-Y. City. Scarcity. S-C-A-R. Scar. C-I-T-Y. City. Scarcity. Next one. Appreciate. A-P-P-R-E. C-I-A-T-I-V-E. Appreciative. A-P-P-R-E-C-I-A-T-I-V-E. Appreciative. 34th one. Incredible. I-N-C-R-E-D-I-D-A-B-L-E. Incredible. I-N-C-R-E-D-I-B-L-E. Incredible. 35th one. Exclaimed. E-S-E-X-C-L-A-M. Exclaimed. Sorry. C-L-I-A-I-M-E-D. Claim. Exclaimed. E-X-X-C-L-A-I-M. Claim. Mud. M-E-D. Mud. Exclaimed. Okay, children, these 35 spell words you write down once in classwork, twice in homework. But to start writing the homework, once you finish the classwork, complete all till the question answers. After the completion of that, then only you need to send it. So let's start now. Meanings. There are 9 meanings in your textbook. Page number 21. Okay, I will be writing and pronouncing. You can see the textbook and write it down. Meanings. M-E-A-N-I-N-G-S. Meanings. First one. Buzz. B-U-Z-Z. Buzz. Buzz is filled with enthusiasm, and activity. What is meant by bus? Filled with enthusiasm and activity, where all the people are, if there is a sound going on outside, that means if an event is taking place in your home or in the school, all will be active, all will be enthusiastic, shouting and roaming here and there to do some particular thing, right? During this we can see during the annual day celebrations. I mean the rehearsals before the annual day. All will be roaming here, they will be attending dance classes, they will be attending music classes. Right children? That means the children will be having enthusiasm, okay, or activeness. Sustenance. S-U-S-T-E-N, sustain, A-N-C-E-N, sustenance. To sustain. Sustain means what? To live or survive. Sustenance, to sustain or survival. Depletion. D-E-P-L-E-T-I-O-N, depletion. Reduction. R-E-D-U-C-T-I-O-N, reduction or exhaustion. E-X-H-A-U-S-T-I-O-N, exhaustion of something. Depletion, reduction or exhaustion of something, completely taking out. That is known as what? Depletion. Next one, perish. P-E-R-R-E-S-H, perish. Perish means dying, completely going out from the world. Perish. To destroy. D-E-S-T-R-O-Y, destroy. Perish, destroy. Perish, destroy. Contaminated. C-O-N, contaminated. Polluted. Making it dirty. Polluted means what? Making it dirty. Contaminated, polluted. Sixth one, yammering. Y-A-M-M-E-R-I-N-G, yammering. Talking loudly, and enthusiastically to gather attention. Okay? What is meant by yammering? Talking loudly and enthusiastically to gather attention. Seventh one, muffled. M-U-F-F-L-E-D, muffled. Muffled means to be wrapped. W-R-A-P-P-E-D, wrapped, or to be quieter. Q-U-I-E-T-E-R, quieter. Muffled, to be wrapped, or to be quieter. Inquisitive. I-N-Q-U-I-S-I-T-I-V-E, inquisitive. Filled with curiosity. filled with curiosity. Inquisitive, filled with curiosity. Next, appreciative. Appreciative, feeling or showing appreciation. Feeling or showing appreciation. 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 Appreciative means feeling or showing appreciation. Appreciation means, that means if someone is doing good things, we will appreciate them, right? Well done or very good. That is known as appreciative. Okay, children? Now let's move to the opposite words. So these are 9 meanings. Write down neatly in your classwork book once, homework book twice. Next one, Roman number 3, opposites. First one, screaming. S-C-R-E-A-M-I-N-G. Screaming means shouting. Okay? Opposites of shouting is silent. That means here dull. Screaming, dull. Screaming, dull. Conservative. C-O-N-S-E-R-V-A-T-I-O-N. Conservation. Neglect. N-E-G-L-E-C-T. Neglect. Conservation means protection. Neglect means leaving it like that only. Let it be like that only, I don't care. That is known as neglect. Third one, perish. P-E-R-I-S-H. Perish. Next, survive. S-U-R-V-I-V-E. Survive. Perishing means completely destroying or completely going out of this world. Surviving means still available. Appreciate. A-P-P-R-E-C-I-A-T-E. Appreciate. Depreciate. Appreciate means telling that you have done a good work. Depreciate means always scolding. No, I did not like that one. I did not like your work. That is known as depreciation. Next one, anticipate. A-N-T-I-C-I-P-A-T-E. Anticipate. D-O-U-B-T. Doubt. Anticipation means having the idea that I am true. I have that confidence that we are going to do this thing. That is known as anticipation or anticipate. Doubt means having doubt that I am going to fail this time. That is a doubt. Okay, children? Now, every one of you all write down these opposites also one time in classwork, twice in the